for this virus, a vaccine or something that we can point to and say this is.
Jesus Christ, you can't hear the fucking horn?
Really, person?
Holy fucking shit. Glad you're paying attention.
Será que eles estão bem? Tomara que esteja.
What happened?
Accident.
Oh shit.
Yep. Just 1 second, real quick.
Really? It's fucking red, lady.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Me? What?
Okay, what is that person doing? Oh my god.
You give me such a vibe. I just totally wanna find.
Então eu tenho hoje dia 4.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, yep. Oh my god. Oh, what a Okay, cool. So I bought this guy. Ooh, oh, that was close. Oh, those guys almost.
Oh.
Did you see that?
Camera.
Não.
É drive-thru?
Não, senhora, tá fechado.
Eu acho que tá aí.
Ah, ó o tipo.
Fucking dumb ass. So it's also a game for
Whoa, that guy. Got that on camera.
Hey, Dad? Yeah. Remember when you gave me my first beaver? Yeah, I remember it well. You told me...
Nice. Dad's incredible. Just ran the red light. Tá soltando peito. Ó que idiota. Ele sabe que a faixa tá acabando. Idiota. It's absolutely insane, and he voted that and he passed. Look at this one.
I didn't know about that specifically, but there's so many things he's done that I just.
You just blew a red light, and you're gonna do a U-turn. Awesome. Wow, that's a no turning red, buddy.
Yeah, 105 with a bounce, Detroit's throwback hip hop and R&B. Real deal, Jay Steele, and some shocking news.
Spot if you're on the other side of the street. So if you're on the side of the street, this is the spot, and then if you're on the other side, that's the spot in the parking lot.
Ferndale thing.
That's a totally thing that we didn't have any idea.
These people are really walking in the middle of the street.
Like it's the one time. Oh my gosh, yeah. So, this is car. Total.
What is this guy doing?
That's
Dude, oh my god.
Sir, you need to go home. That was when I
He's getting caught. You're so getting caught, you fucking idiot. I gotta watch this one. No. Yep, there you go. That's what you get for being an idiot.
Okay, here we go.
Before we begin, I'm going to say that this is stupid, and all of you are stupid. Stupid like a fox, though. That's not a thing.
Okay, Steve, what's the next item on your list?
Chief Science Officer Eliak Sears wished to return to his home planet and debate his colleagues regarding the possibility of a theory that unifies both macro and quantum mechanics.
Oh, joy.
Okay, Steve, what's the next item?
And quantum mechanics.
Oh, joy. The theory of everything. Okay, fine.
Cool.
What is this guy doing? Look at this. What is this guy doing? Oh my god. What is he doing? What is going on? Olhos.
Nossa. Meu Deus. O que esse povo tá fazendo assim, tipo... Nossa. Eu não entendi.
Hang up. Hey, hang up. I just had a wreck.